welcome to the Journey of Plastic. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of how plastic products around us are made and, more importantly, how we can give them a second life. To give us, we're honored to have Owen and Brayan, two amazing experts in industrial process. Owen and Brayan, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you, Keily. It's always a pleasure to share what we do.
Happy to be here and explain this super interesting process.
Awesome. Owen, when we look at the image, the first thing we notice are some use machines that use what is their main role in the production of plastic instant.
Well, Keily, what we're going are mainly extrusion and injection molding press. The extruder, then like the big blue machine. It uses for continuous process, plastic and melted on push it through and a shape hole to create a long forms like tubes of profiles. The molding press, on the other hand, are individual parts. Melted plastic, they inject into a hole under high pressure, they get a desired shape.
Got it. And Brian, looking at the sample shown like those block and more complex pieces, what kinds of products can be made using these technologies?
On display, the every is next endless. We can make every day. It's like food containers, food and toys, like those bolts. But also more technical parts for cars, home applications, and even enabler components. The flavor of plastic plus the pressure of these machines allows of a range of applications.
It's amazing how the material transforms. Owen, I see a machine labeled grinder. Does this relate directly to plastic recycling?
Absolutely, Keily. The grinder is a crucial part of recycling process. It is a job that takes plastic waste from production of the used product, break into the small piece or pellets, and the essential step to make the plastic reusable.
And who are those pellets brought back into production, Brian? Can't it be used to make new products?
Exactly. Once the plastic is around and cleared or stored if needed, those pellets become what we call secondary. Raw material in can be mixed with virgin plastic or even used alone in the same extrusion or molding machines is escape to the circular economy. Cook it down on new resource extraction and reduce pollution.
That process is so important for our planet. Owen, is if you have to summarize it, what's more impressive about this industry? What will it be?
For me, the most fascinating part is the innovation and adaptability, seeing how a small pellet becomes a complex and the user food object, and how the industry is evolving to include to more recycling and sustainability. It's a blend of engineering, creativity, and responsibility.
Such a powerful insight. Owen and Brian, thank you so much for this enlightening conversation and sharing for knowledge.
Finally, thanks, Kelly. It was a pleasure.
Thanks for having us.
And thank you all for joining us on the journey of plastic. See you next time.